Push the piece towards, not away from the rest of the bar. How to peel a banana. No hassle bread. The right way to use a toilet seat cover. Tic Tac Hack. Soda straw hack. Takeout Tactic. Disconnection Prevention. Flossing without amputating your fingers. Condiment King. Oatmeal Measurement. Foil spoon. Never make a mess in the kitchen again. Instant coaster. Mess-free Slurpee. It's not just a staple remover.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.